Now, what we got to do up here, the reason why I'm going over this a little bit, up here, Gracie, there are 2 outlets, okay? Always make sure that power's off over there. And the reason why I make sure power's off is we don't want to get electrocuted. All right. Now, when I bring this one up, the reason why we don't put it down all the way right away, okay, is we first have to get, that's why I start with the other thing. That way it'll hold on that area. And once it's holding, I will go back up and then, come on. There we are. Alright, so then we'll go up here. Older outlets has a bigger side than a smaller side. Kind of like positive and negatives on a car battery. So if they don't line up, we'll go plug in. Alright. That's in there. And then so make sure it doesn't fall out anywhere. Alright. Alright. Turn the light on. No, turn them both on. Now, you see now all of a sudden the middle light's the light? Mm-hmm. That's because of where it's directed at. I think we just keep it like that.
Yep.
Go ahead and keep it on there for a second.